Hello, this is Victor Santana with Stock Hunter video for April 24th. How's everybody doing? Hope everything's going fine. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's been going on in the markets here. And here we are looking at the total U.S. market here that combines all the indices. And as you can see, we've been going on an upward move here. And we got an entry signal here based on these two signals here. And these are on a weekly candle here. So here we are at this range here, and so we have no new entry signals to get in, so we're just going to stay and wait. If we do close below this green line here, which is be approximately $98 on the ETF TMW, we would then exit out. If we close under, we had a close call right here, but it just pierced it and closed right above it, so it can continue on. Okay, but it does seem like we're kind of at the upper ends of things, so we have to be very conservative now. Let's go ahead and break this down to the individual indices here. I would go ahead and show the Dow. However, the Dow looks like it has a bad print here, so I'm not even going to bother to talk about it, but we'll skip right over that. So we're going to go straight to the S&P, and as you can see here, we've been in upward movement here. We did get in a setup here, and we got the trigger right here, that signal, and this is where we get in. And so we're still continuing going up. We bounced off of that green line here, so we're still in the play. Again, notice that we have a lower high here compared to this last one over there. So that's just something to be concerned and just watchful. We should be investing, have most of the money in cash right now. I would say no more than 50% for investing at this point. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq had a better week. And as you can see here, we got the setup here, and then we got the trigger here to enter right at this end right up here, and we are up above it. So we're just gonna have to wait and see what this is gonna turn out, and look for any pullbacks if we continue to go up. And again, the last high, now we're in the lower highs, but we still have a higher low compared to this last one here. So we're pretty much neutral right now. So we'll just have to sit and wait here. And now let's look at the Russell's 2000. Russell's 2000, as you can see, we've been on an upward trend. The black line is the 200-day moving average equivalent, the 40-week in this case. And we got the setup here, we got the trigger here, where we entered right at this area here where this line is. So we're right above it. We did bounce off of this green line here and still in. However, this is different. We do have a higher high from the last time here. So will this be the makings of a higher low? We'll have to just wait and see. So we'll just stay here and just watch it for those that are still in it. And then finally, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the global market. And as you can see here, we had the setup here when we dipped under and got this green flashing, and we got the setup of the trigger here at this green bar here. So right here at this line, right above here, we got in. So we're still in it. We got the bounce. We haven't broke any higher, so we're neutral at this point. So we'll just have to sit and wait and see what happens. If we do close for the week below this green line here, we should exit. Okay, so we'll just have to wait and see. And as far as any ideas, I do have one here that did trigger to it, which is steel, believe it or not. So we're going to go ahead and look at the steel ETF, SLX. As you can see here, we got the green arrow to get in based on the setup here, which it just touched this line here, and we got a little green bar here. I don't know if you could see it, but it's positive. So this is where we'd be entering in here. Okay. Good thing is we're below the green line, but we're bouncing off of this red line down here. These two channel lines are the 20-week moving average. The green meaning the high prices, and the red meaning of the low prices. Okay, so that's what these channels are, and the black lining being the 40-week, the equivalent to the 200-day moving average. Okay, so consider getting in here and put a stop right under slightly under the candlestick here, which is probably approximately 69.40. And let's see what kind of percentage we're looking at here if we consider here. So assuming that we open up, and this thing is blocking my way, so let me just move it out of the way here. Let's get a good look at it. There we go. And it's still blocking my way. Okay, let's move this a little bit further out. Actually, I should do it this way. No, maybe this way. There we go. Exit right there. So you're looking about 5.8, close to 6% here. Okay, so just put a small position. If the economy still goes up, then this is very favorable to go back up above the 20-week high price. Okay, what to watch for? I got a couple of sectors. They're not quite ready to get in, but they are potentials here. We're looking at wind energy, and as you can see here, we are now right below the 30 line, which is at 25. There's our setup, our watch. The bars are black. We're going to wait until we get the green bar similar to this here and see if we get that pop to leg. Good thing about it, as you can see, the 200-day moving average here, or the 40-week here, we did get a breakout out of there, and it looks like it may be getting a bounce above it. So this could be the next leg up. This could be the bottom of the price movement here for this ETF, the wind energy. Okay, so we're going to have to keep an eye on that. And another one is solar. Let's pull that up here. And here it comes. Solar's kind of been choppy, as you can see. Very choppy, whipsaw. Here, based on the signals here. And so we're seem like we're just broke under the 30, which we're at 27 now. And we got the black candle, so it's a matter of just wait and see, be patient to see if we get to generate that green bar here similar to here, and then we get that pop for the week. Okay, so let's keep an eye on that. Energy, XLE, we've been pulling down, and we did get this touch down here, a little slight penetration here, but we still got the black bars. Okay, maybe next week would be the green bar to signal to get in. So we're going to watch that. And then the final one is financials, XLF. And let me move this over here. There we go. Financials, as you can see, we're below the line here. We got the setup. Now we're waiting for the trigger. Alright, as long as we can close above this red line, above the red channel, then we're okay to consider to go up. This could be maybe a new bottom or a base for the financials here. Trade sideways before making the next leg up. Okay, so we're going to watch those and see how it goes. Alrighty, so that's it pretty much. Until next time, keep an eye on the stocks, and come and visit the website over there at stock-hunters.com. Take care.